Today I'm at 22 St John's Road. There's plenty of parking here in this 3-bedroom semi-detached house. It's got a new boiler, the windows are all double glazed, and the garden is easy to maintain. There's plenty of parking on the front drive and also down the side here, and it's a nice safe garden for children. If you'd like to find out any more about this property, please watch the video, then book yourself a viewing. Take care.